Hi guys, good morning. Get ready with me. Charot, get ready with me. Pero yung nilalagay ko lang sa mukha ko is kanana, lipstick lang and then suklay. Pero feeling on get ready with me, no? Hi, well done, Wesley. Don't do that to your face, guys. Maglagay tayo ng lipstick. First, and then maglagay tayo ng this one. Moisturizer sa face. Anyway guys, sila Kuya Brian and mga kiddos is pumunta po sa Sam's Club. So kasama niya po si Josephine, si Brayden.
Josephine is gonna go in our house. How about Brayden? Or Brayden can go in
Yeah, they can go, but they have to ask their daddy first to come with us. But mommy's gonna work. This is my last work pala sa ko. Doon sa Nashville.
Mommy, I like Brayden.
Ah, yeah, they love you too.
But Brayden, I will not do anything.
So anyway, balik tayo doon. So, pumunta pala ng Sam's Club sila, Kuya Brian, si Josephine, si Brayden, Michael, and William. Yun yung kasama niya, yung mga bata. Tapos kami lang dito ni Catherine, Erica, Wesley, and Waylon. So, mag-grocery po sila, guys. So, check out their vlog. For sure, mauna pa yun mag-upload or ako mauna. So, anyway, last week ko na pala doon sa pinagtatrabahuan ko sa Nashville. And then, after that, after 2 weeks, is dito na ako mag-work. Kasi, okay naman yung transfer ko, diba? So, yeah. I'm excited and your school na kabi in 2 weeks. Huh? May school na ka?
Yes.
Excited ka?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Maunsa mo ka sa mga teacher?
Listen.
Listen and then raise kasi mo hands if you know how to answer the question. Me, teacher. Ana ha? You don't be shy ha? And then I don't want you to get in trouble food. Huh?
I don't know how to count yet.
Huh?
I don't know how to count.
You know how to count? Okay, count daw ba? Count.
1, 2,
Hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You know how to count, Wesley. You're just shy. Don't be shy. Okay? And then, mayan ka. Hi everyone. My name is Wesley Boy Cade. Wesley Cade. Wesley Paul Cade. Ito na nga yan, oh. Sikat ulit. Huh? What's that? Sino na? Later. You wait sa. Mayan ka. My name is Wesley Paul Cade. I'm 5 years old. And I have 2 brothers. Mayan ka, anak. And then you will learn how to write, write, count. Huh?
I don't know how to count.
That's why you go to school, so that you can learn. But don't be shy. That's why you're trying your best na mag-study. Study. Yan yung ano niya. Ayaw niya daw mag-school kasi hindi niya daw.
How?
Sige, count. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4,
Waylon! 5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
So, yes guys, may pupuntahan muna ako today. Saglit, and then babalik na naman ako dito. Anyway, nakalimutan ko pala. Ano tayo? Chicken. Ala. Ito pala yung gamit ko. 100 plus lang ito sa Watson, guys. Sobrang ano lang yan. Mura.
I'm going to Daddy's house now. But I love that. I'm going to Daddy's house. I'm going to stay with Daddy.
Wanna stay with your dad?
Yeah.
You don't wanna stay with me?
I like Daddy.
Okay.
Because I love him. You stay in the house with me. You stay in the house with me. Both of you stay with me.
And then, ayan na tayo. Ako mo, into the night yung gamit.
Let me smell it. Let me smell it.
Sige na, Bi. Kamang naog na to. So, let's go na, guys.
Bye.
So, guys, pupunta na muna kami sa store. May bibilhin akong importante. And then, yung kasama ko is si Waylon lang muna. Kasi si Wesley, guys, yung nagbantay sa kanya is si Kathleen. And then, nandoon din naman si Erica. So, okay lang. Hi, Way. Hi. Saan mo eat?
I like Mama.
Hello, Waylon. Saan mo na, uy? Oh, lami. Can I try? Good. Good talaga yung mga bata sa Sam's Club ay. So, let's go na, guys. Yeah. Alam nyo, guys, yung mga nagkuha ng mga basura dito is ang ano nila, kasi hindi na sila bumababa. Like, meron lang silang pipindutin para makuha yung garbage can. And then, ayun na. No need na sila magbaba. Unlike sa Pinas bitaw na kailangan pa nilang kunin yung ano, yung garbage. Yung garbage can para lang malagay siya sa ano, sa truck. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan, oh. Yung ano na yun, may pinipindot sila para kunin yung garbage can. And then, ayan, tingnan nyo nga. Oh. Diba, oh. Wala nang bumababa, nasa loob lang sila nagda-drive. Meron din helper yung driver. But nakaka-amaze kasi wala lang, like maglingkod na sila and drive and then kuhaon ng trash can. Diba? See? That's so cool. Not ka nang comparing sa Pinas in a bad way. I'm just telling yung kanang na ay iba yun dito ba. Na-amaze ako kasi sa Pinas mostly makikita natin is pag merong mga garbage truck, meron talagang bumababa para kunin yung garbage can and then ilagay sa ano, sa truck, which is makita mo talaga na nakakapagod and it's not easy kasi ang baho-baho naman ng mga garbage, diba? Ang baho-baho naman ng mga basura. Pero dito, nasa truck lang sila, may pipindutin lang and then kukuha na sila ng kukunin na nila yung garbage bag. Garbage can. So, yun lang guys, na ano na ako kasi timing na nag-ano yung garbage truck. So, kaya na-video ko. Naisipan ko mag-video. But I'm not comparing in a bad way. I'm just kanang na-sharing with you guys. Huh? Naghanap siya sa kanyang kapatid. Oh, Wesley, baby, kay naa sa house. Oh? Yes. Ito talaga si Waylon, guys. Naghahanap na siya sa kanyang mga kapatid. Every time may lakad kami, palagi niya talang hinahanap si Wesley and then si William. Si Wesley din kasi, palagi namin siyang kasama, di ba? Kasi si William, nag-school na siya. How much more kung mag-school na si Wesley, patay. Maghanap na talaga to si Waylon araw-araw. Pag hindi niya makita yung mga brothers niya, naghahanap talaga siya. And it's funny kasi sila yung magkaaway palagi, sila din yung hinahanap pa rin talaga nila yung isa't isa. Even William and Waylon and Wesley, yeah, naghahanap talaga yun sila sa kanilang mga kapatid. Especially pag hindi nila nakikita. So let's go na guys. See ya. Huh? You want Papayan's house? Okay. Uwi na pala kami sa Nashville. And then, babalik na naman sa Monday. And then, I don't know if kailan pa ako makakabalik doon ulit. Kasi, yun na nga, kukunin ko na talaga yung mga gamit ko. And, I'm a little bit sad guys. Kasi, like, totally na talaga na separated. And yung mga bata kasi yung inaalala ko, okay lang naman sa akin. Yung mga bata lang talaga. Kasi kung hindi ako sinabihan talaga ni Tom na kanang na before siya mag-move, kailangan na kami ni William maghanap ng matitiran. Kung hindi niya lang ako sinabihan ng ganyan, hindi pa talaga ako mag-move out kasi nag-iisip ako sa mga bata. But you know, it's his decision naman kasi siya naman din yung nagbabayad ng renta. So, I respect that. And it's okay, we can find a way. And everything's gonna be alright. Makaka-adjust lang ako and then yung mga bata. So, yun na nga. Na-share ko lang din sa inyo na ganito, ganyan. Kasi yan din naman yung reality. Si Wesley nga, gusto niya it's like, ang sakit-sakit sa puso na yung anak mo, sabi niya, gusto niya daw sa daddy niya. Gusto niya daw din ako doon. Hirap pa kasi explain ka Wesley kasi he's only 5 years old. So, hindi pa siya nakakaintindi niyan. Kaya, ako nasasaktan talaga ako sa mga bata. And don't tell me, kasi ikaw, ganito, ganyan. Guys, wag na lang kayo guys, kasi hindi nyo naman talaga alam yung punot dulo. So, just support support na lang sa amin. Mag-support kayo sa kanilang tatay. If gusto nyo, mag-support din kayo sa akin. Wag na lang kayong mag ng istorya. Like, wag nyo na lang anuhin. Hey, ano ba itong Tagalog? Wag na lang kayong mag-plus ng sasabihin nyo. Anong tawag dyan Kung sa Bisaya pa, ayaw na lang ninyo dungagi ang storya. And then if you want to say something, just keep it to yourself na lang. Kasi, wala lang. Na instead, makakapag-motivate kayo ng tao, nakaka-discourage. So, yun lang. Me, I'm a mom and I'm trying my best for my kids. Even though I really wanna give up talaga. Since before pa, but I always think about my kids. That's why, kaya nga nilagyan ko nga ng picture frame yung kwarto namin. Kasi every time na yun na nga, sad ako, makikita ko lang yung picture ng mga bata and kami ng mga bata. So, I feel like there's no reason to be sad and ma-motivate ko taman. And I don't wanna say kanang something about us. Not because I'm guilty. It is because I don't have to, and I don't owe you an explanation, even though you guys watching our daily lives. I just like, how to say it? Like now, I'm more mature than before, because before when I got fight with William's dad, so sa social media kasi yun, and I realized like I don't have to explain to people people na ganito ganyan. Like I'm gonna keep it to myself and the people who knows me in person. So yun, kasi it's my personal life, and I know I'm so happy guys kasi nanonood kayo sa amin sa aming daily life, sa aming YouTube, and yeah, I'm so thankful and grateful about that. I'm so thankful and grateful for that because you guys are supporting us. But now I realize that I have to be anong tawag dyan, may limitation ba na ganito i-share, ganito ganyan. Kasi you know what, if nag-share pa ako dati, never nyo ako nakita or never nyo ako na dito sa YouTube na nagpo-post or nagsasabi about sa amin since before pa yan. Kasi nga, yun na nga yung sabi ko, I just realized na I don't have to, and especially I'm doing this for the sake of my kids. Like, I can tell that I'm more mature now than before, because before, oh my goodness, I always think nga nasuko ko. I always think about kanang like suko kayo ko bitaw. But now that tulo na ako anak, I feel like okay, I don't have to, I don't need to explain to other people because they want me to say it, and then some people want me to say something, and then tinitrigger nila ako na ganito ganyan. Pero for me, wala na, I just ignore them. Even people will comment something na may nagsabi pa doon sa comment section sa daddy nila na nagsabi daw ako dito sa YouTube or kahit saang social media na in-abuse daw ako or hinit, anong tawag dyan? Sabi doon, Iching said you abused her and hate her, blah blah blah. And I was like, alam niyo yung mga tao, gagawan talaga nila yung yung gagawa talaga sila ng paraan ba para maano yung tao, kahit hindi naman ginagawa ng tao. Gusto lang talaga nila matrigger yung isa and then magsabi ng something sa akin. Pero ako guys, kahit anong sabihin niyo, wala, hindi talaga ako magsasabi ng kahit ano, kasi yun na nga yung iniisip ko. Grateful and thankful ako, and daddy pa rin siya ng mga anak ko, tatay pa rin siya ng mga anak ko. So that's why I said I don't have to explain anything. I don't need to explain anything. Kasi at least iniiyak ko, alam ko sa sarili ko, and alam ng mga taong kilala ko in person. So yeah, yun lang. So more to guys, we're almost there na. I feeling don't judge me how the way I speak English, because I'm not fluent talaga. Minsan din naman yung Tagalog hindi nakakaano. Yung Tagalog natin is parang anong tawag dyan? Parang nakakaano din. Tagalog is life. So siguro next week si Tom na yung mag-ano sa kanila, mag-pick up. And I don't know if ako ba yung magkukuha. So we'll see na lang. Keep updating. Keep updated. Ano ba yan? Ay! Bulok talaga. Meron talaga nag-comment. You don't know how to speak English. You don't know how to fluently speaking English. Blah blah blah. I said, it's true naman din talaga. Hindi ko talaga yan kaya nahiya talaga ako kasi hindi naman talaga ako marunong mag-English, guys. But it's okay. Okay, Rana. Kay, if you don't know how to speak English, it doesn't mean na bobo ka. Diba? As long as makasabot ka basic. So let's go now. Huh? No, you wanna try to jump?
No.
Huh? You sure? You wanna jump like that? Let's try. Why? Are you scared? Hala, ganahan man siya train, guys. Nagbili lang naman sana ako ng ganito ba? Tapos, hala. How much is that? Hold on. No? Okay, do you wanna try sa kuan? You wanna jump? Yeah. Hi, Wei. Can I ride? Don't touch that. That's dirty. Hi, Waylon. Okay, let's jump there na. Like Kuya, come on. See? Did you see that? Let's go. No. You wanna try? Okay, let's wait. Dance. Alipi kay maligsan gabi. Are you ready? Okay.
It's so much fun.
Strong. Are you strong?
Okay, are you ready, Daddy? Come over here. Alright, go over there. Super excited? You're going to do super high or do you want to do little jump? Hold the hands here. Are you ready? Get set.
Go. Jump. Jump.
Go, big man. Yes.
More.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh my goodness. You're a big boy na yun. More. Allah. Go, Waylon. Oops. Oh, more. Oh, go, Waylon, go. Oops. More. Waylon, guys. Okay, jump. You have 24 seconds. Come on. Go, Waylon. Jump. What? Good job, more. Higher. Oh, I'll give you lollipop after. Okay. Jump. Fuck. You're done. No? Hello, you're done. See? Wala na. 0 na. Lala, sige. Give more. Thank you.
Are we doing cash or card?
I'm card. Thanks.
All right. How are you? Good. How are you?
Baliktad, nak. Baliktad. Yeah, like that. Good job. High five. I'm so proud. Yeah. Let's go home now. You happy? Are you happy? Did you have fun? That's good. Guys, ang dami namin napamili sa sa mga kitchen stuff or sa bahay. So, uwi na po kami. Hindi na ako nag-vlog sa Roscos kasi may music, so makapiray tayo. Okay. So, yeah, see ya! Ito po pala yung napamili ko guys, mga kitchen rug, merong mga bath rug, para sa prutas, ito. So, at madami pang iba. So, see ya na lang later. Hi guys! So, kanina pa ako dumating sa bahay. And then after that, nag-build kami sa bed ni Erica and then sa bookshelf. Pero mga nilagay niya is yung mga ano din ni baby. Nindot kay kwarto si ma'am. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Yes, kailangan namin bumili ng new na ganito, pang hanger, kasi hindi siya makasya dito. Tingnan nyo nga, ayan, oh. Ayan. So, di good makasya ay. Ano tawag? So, ito na yung bed ni Erica. So nice, guys. Aesthetic ang peg niya sa kanyang room. Ayan. Si Erica, her na yan, happy na anuhan tayo ng anong tawag dyan, uy, ganang gisogtan tag vlog sa yung room.
Lamura jud unsa ka sikat ba?
Ayaw, uy, kay daghan na ba mo ingon? Ngano ko na i-bash ka nga. Wa man daw kay gibuhat. Which is, tinuod man said good.
Ito. Wala naman gibuhat, guys.
Nag-TikTok naman good na siya. Mag-vlog. So, yeah, happy na good, guys. And happy na po siya mga anak. Malapit na siyang mga anak. Mga mag-36 weeks ka na, Bino? 35 naman ka. Yeah, mag-36. So, yeah, I'm so excited na. Nanay, may bantayan. Nanay, maghilak. Ingo pas Kathleen. For sure, si Emery, magsigig naghilak ini kagabi.
Itong mga kuan ni Emery. Itong murag kagmay na sa nina ba?
Nya, dira sa taas.
Itong mga
Pantulog.
pantulog.
Yes, nindot kayo.
Then, dito namin ilagay yung crib na nabili ni Mama.
Ang katungkuan, Jenny.
Ang kani Mama, gamit po mong Japanese.
Lain nga kuan. Asa man ang magamitan? Tagoy lang sana.
Gamit ko ni siya. Guys, oh. Guys, ana na mo pang bash na ko og kuan, mahurot na niya. Mangayo ko niyo pang palit diaper.
Puno kayahan ko ano niya. Need pa ba niya kanang mo palit pa daw siya. Ayan, wipes and ito yung mga damit din, no.
Wala pa din.
Wala pa di ay.
Empty pa yan.